Good evening, friends. I am Sarthak, and today we are conducting a group discussion on the topic knowledge is power. I think knowledge is power because a person without knowledge is just a piece of, uh, like, he is just a human, he's nothing more than that. He is just a man, he is just a person, he is not any personality. He doesn't like have his consciousness if he is not knowledgeable.
Good evening, friends. I am Adishti. According to me, knowledge is very important in our life because if you don't know about your education, whatever education you are having, if you don't have any knowledge about that, so how your future will be glow? Yes, knowledge is power in our life because see, I will give you a real life example. When I was in fourth, me and my friends planned a small party. So in that we watched a movie. The name was Jurassic World Rebirth. Okay, sorry, in fifth. Then it was a English movie, but we decided to see it in English. But I didn't really understand it. But now I can understand it because now I'm learning English. So that uh, knowledge is power. We can say that. I believe that knowledge is power because some people don't have knowledge, so they cannot live peacefully, and they cannot survive properly because they didn't have money.
I think that the education is the most important characters among us because the education is leading us to that personality which people give us respect and other thing, and we don't hesitate in the people and means public place. And if we want to be a successful person in our life, so knowledge is very important. Like I give an example, like APJ Abdul Kalam was also an student, and they took the knowledge, and he is, and he now told as a most successful person.
I think knowledge is very important in our life because without having any knowledge or any education, we cannot means have any type of job because not any type of we can say, but we cannot have a job, and we will have some financial uh, what we can say, yes, financial crisis, and
According to me, wisdom is more important than knowledge because wisdom provides you the experience to utilize your knowledge. If you are just a book reader who knows everything about the world but doesn't know how to use that, like let's take an example of a boy who is a book reader. He knows everything, but he is not social, and he is usually, locked. He locks himself in his rooms. So it's not of any use because he doesn't have any wisdom. Wisdom comes from experience. So I think wisdom is more important than knowledge.
Sarthak, are you talking about your practical life? How to use the means how to use our means knowledge in our daily life? Yes, you are talking about that only.
Yes, and yes, I am talking about using the knowledge in our daily lives because there may come many issues, many problems in your life that can't be just solved using your tiny brain. You need wisdom for that.
Yeah, I also experienced that because whenever I was in child, means I was a child. Then I was means I let in one story and money to from me.
So, I would like to share a real life example to you. Actually, when I was in third or fourth, I was the dumbest child from my class. And that time, like, I was not having that knowledge of English or communicating with peoples. And that time, like, I was feeling so embarrassed. Like, I can't even communicate properly with my teachers and my friends, those who were speaking in English. And from that we knows that, like, for you don't want to feel and embarrassed, so you should learn knowledge, you should learn whatever, like, education, the knowledge. To sum up, knowledge is very important. Yes, and when you will have knowledge, you will also have money. Like, if you are a poor boy and you are learning new things, so in future it will happen that you can also become rich if you have knowledge. If we have knowledge, then we can get famous, like many leaders and famous people.
I think only wisdom is not important because it need pair of something like knowledge. If knowledge and wisdom get together, so a man can become a man can achieve anything in his life. So and we should also means have we should also respect to our respect that we get a proper education and so we can achieve something in our life.
According to me, knowledge and wisdom are not like no, not far apart. Knowledge is the first step, wisdom is the last step. Like if you start reading a English grammar book, let's say an English grammar book, and you just finish it, you understand everything, but you can't even speak a word in front of anyone. How is that useful? But if you can use that same book and talk with someone else and use it to convince people, sell your products, so it can help you in growing your business, your career. So this is wisdom, utilizing your knowledge. I don't think that these things are quite far apart. And also, some people may arguably say that money is power, but the trail starts from knowledge. Because if you are not knowledgeable, not even you won't be like if you are not knowledgeable, you can't even earn a penny.
Yes, my I am also saying that if means if you have knowledge, so then in future you can become something. But if you don't have knowledge, no one will count you in the number of people.
Yeah, if we have to made a career for us, we have to utilize our study for means by confidence in our life, so that can be useful for a successful person. As I give an example, in United States, one Peter by name, the Peter was there, a man who was not actually studying. At the 10th class, he was actually fail. After that, he take his career success. Means career means career seriously. Then he chosen an business which he was not actually means confident about that. So he utilized their knowledge about he had learned, and then he was a successful person.
Yes, but who says that knowledge is in books? Yes, knowledge can be obtained from books, but still, study and knowledge don't have any connection. Yes, and also I agree with Pushkar that at the pace, after you start taking anything seriously, you can achieve anything in your life if you start taking it seriously. So yes, I appreciate his example.
Actually, I want to say that we can take the knowledge from the outside also. Means in the from the world, from the people also.
I want to share a story with you. I know it is not in real life based, but it is from knowledge only. There was a person